We are headed out to dinner and then a little bit of clubbing tonight. We're going to Veritas for dinner. I don't have my full outfit on because my headpiece would not fit in the car, but I will throw pictures of my outfit, our outfit, up in the corner. But John is a gutted Trump. All in good fun, all in good fun. But we will see you at dinner. Bye.
Yeah, there's the door that way. Red flaxseed crackers for you, and for you, sir, this is going to be a kind of a rye sourdough with lots of oats on the inside of it. So it's very oaty bread.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
I might need your phone for lighting.
A lovely little salad of haricot vert dressed in house scallion mayonnaise with champagne vinaigrette. Over top, dehydrated strips of Iberico ham, a little bit of grated Parmesan, and there's both fava and mustard flowers to garnish.
Thank you. Will you do yours because you're in the light? So you keep kicking me.
Sorry. Shut your cocktails up in just a second.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, that smells so good.
Thank you. Day-boat scallops, lightly poached and served with a kind of on a bed of Anson Mills heirloom grits. The broth to the side is a really heavy, deep squash and vegetable broth, kind of flecked with olive oil, and then over top, fried squash chips. In the center, the herbs this time are going to be watercress, amaranth, micro bull's blood, and a little bit of sherbet as well.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
You have light on yours. So what is this?
Fantastic. Those are really great costumes.
Thank you.
Alright, next course. For you, we have our butternut squash soup. It's going to get topped with a nasturtium oil as well as our herb oil. And for you, sir, we have our chicken of the woods tortellini. It's going to be served in a chicken of the woods pan sauce and topped with sourdough.
Thank you. Your yours first.
They're different.
Yes.
Of course. Thank you. Lightly charred halibut sitting in basically in a sauce and oil of whey and tarragon. There's going to be a little charred Chinese cauliflower, and alongside that, a little bit of fresh cilantro and some other really light emulsions in place.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
You have more light right there, Sue.
It is smoky.
I love it. It's like our riff on a penicillin.
Yeah,
The toki provides a nice base, and the I believe it's ardbeg uses on top. It's just the perfect kind of hit at the beginning,
Yeah.
and then it mellows out as you get further ahead.
yeah, it's super cool. It's really super smoky. I love it.
Thank you. So, homage to a classic American steakhouse, including a Bordelais that is gluten-free. It's a fun little riff we did. The steak itself is sous vide to medium rare, and then kind of charred a little bit to get that texture on the outside. It's served with a Yukon mashed potato pong puree, so lots of cream, lots of butter, a little bit of fried kale to garnish. There's a cream spinach puree in the center of the plate, and then the steak itself is a little bit of goldenrod infused sea salt on top.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
I think I need light for this one because it's got the dark in here.
They are.
Put it down. Thank you.
It's the best dessert of all in front of you.
Thank you.
No gluten. The key difference really is just a chocolate graham cracker crumble over top.
Okay.
Otherwise, deconstructed Girl Scout cookie with Samoa. Coconut ice cream, a little bit of cut of toasted coconut, curls over top, rum caramel drizzle, chocolate ganache, and then coconut milk and coconut water gelées on the edges.
Thank you.
Girl Scouts of America does have a copyright on Samoa.
It's,
in name, so you got to be careful.
Oh,
with
Josh, we're violating copyright with Samoas.
I mean, I don't know for sure. I also don't care, but
Can I have your phone, please?
yes.
Is it on the menu?
No, it's just easy.
He's just messing around. He's just messing around. Scaring the poor guy, honey.
You, I know, are well aware of our flavored explosions.
Yeah.
But have you had our chai explosion yet? I don't know if you had this
No, I
last
don't
time. I'm trying to remember. I think you were still on the grasshopper, if I'm not mistaken.
I don't know. We've been coming to you guys since Delaware days, so I don't know.
There might have been the rhubarb and lavender and lemon. And
I think it was the rhubarb.
it's sort of like purple flecks around it.
Yeah.
This is white chocolate and cocoa butter as the shell. It's a spiced chai milk on the inside, and it's topped off with rum, caramel, and cinnamon sugar.
That sounds pretty fun.
In a layman's terms way, it reminds me of Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Okay.
You know the drill. Don't get yourself messy, Mr. President.
Hey, can I have some light, please? Thank you. That was Veritas. It's always a 5. They always seem to one-up themselves every time we go and eat there. They change their menu roughly every 6 to 8 weeks, so I don't know. That's why we go so often, because they do change their menu up and it's not the same menu over and over again. I don't know. It's just one of our favorite restaurants in town, so hope you enjoyed this ride with us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.